Welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist travel with a curated list of 7 travel essentials that will revolutionize your one-bag travel experience. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just looking to simplify your packing routine, these compact and versatile items are absolute game changers. From space-saving items to ingenious solutions for staying organized on the road, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to shed the excess baggage and embark on a journey of convenience and efficiency, stay tuned as we unveil these must-have items for one-bag travelers. Let's get started. Starting with number 1, travel-sized yoga mat. One of the key elements of maintaining a healthy lifestyle while on the go is the inclusion of travel-sized fitness essentials, such as a compact yoga mat or exercise bands, in your packing list. These items are a godsend for those who prioritize their physical well-being even during travel. A travel-sized yoga mat is ultra-thin and lightweight, designed to fold or roll up neatly, taking up minimal space in your luggage. It provides you with a clean and comfortable surface for yoga or stretching exercises wherever you are, whether it's in your hotel room, a scenic park, or even at the airport during long layovers. Let's move on to number 2, travel-sized hammock. A travel-sized hammock is an absolute must-have for any traveler seeking relaxation and comfort while on the road. These compact and lightweight hammocks are designed to be easily portable, making them ideal for lounging in parks, by the beach, or even in the wilderness. Whether you're a nature enthusiast looking to immerse yourself in the great outdoors or simply want a cozy spot to unwind after a day of exploration, a travel-sized hammock offers the perfect solution. Setting up a travel-sized hammock is a breeze, as it typically comes with straps and carabiners that can be attached to trees, posts, or sturdy anchor points. Once you're suspended in its comfortable embrace, you can enjoy the soothing sway and gentle breeze, providing the ultimate relaxation experience. These hammocks are not only great for leisurely naps and reading, but also offer an excellent alternative to traditional seating options when camping or picnicking. Number 3 on our list is travel-sized air pump. A travel-sized air pump is a practical and versatile tool that can greatly enhance your travel experience. This compact device is designed for inflating various items such as inflatable pillows, pool floats, exercise balls, and even camping mattresses. It's an indispensable companion for travelers who value comfort, convenience, and outdoor activities. Imagine arriving at your destination after a long journey and having a deflated pillow or an uncomfortable camping mattress. With a travel-sized air pump on hand, you can quickly and effortlessly inflate these items to ensure a good night's sleep or a relaxing day by the pool. It eliminates the need for huffing and puffing, saving you time and effort. Moreover, this handy tool is not limited to just comfort items. It can also come to the rescue when you need to inflate beach toys for your kids or exercise equipment for a quick workout on the go. Bringing us to number 4, dry bag. A dry bag is an invaluable piece of gear for travelers who love water-based activities or simply want to safeguard their electronics and important documents from unexpected rain or moisture. This waterproof and highly durable bag is designed to keep your belongings safe and dry, no matter the conditions. Whether you're kayaking, snorkeling, hiking in rainy weather, or simply lounging on a beach, a dry bag is a reliable solution for protecting your essentials. It provides a secure and waterproof enclosure that ensures your electronics, passports, travel documents, and even spare clothing remain completely dry and free from damage. One of the key advantages of a dry bag is its versatility. It comes in various sizes, so you can choose one that suits your specific needs, whether you're carrying a small camera or a full set of electronics. At number 5, we have travel-size wine protector bag. A travel-size wine protector bag is a clever and essential item for wine enthusiasts or anyone looking to transport fragile bottles and delicate items in their luggage. Whether you're a wine connoisseur hoping to bring back a special bottle from your travels or you need to protect fragile souvenirs, this specialized bag is your solution for worry-free packing. These bags are designed with a combination of cushioning and a secure seal to prevent breakage, leakage, and spills during your journey. They often come in various sizes to accommodate different bottle shapes and sizes, making them versatile for transporting not only wine, but also other delicate items like perfume, olive oil, or collectibles. The beauty of a travel-size wine protector bag lies in its simplicity. You can easily slip it into your suitcase, carry-on, or backpack, and it takes up minimal space. Let's move on to number 6. Travel-size slippers. Travel-size slippers are a delightful addition to any traveler's packing list, offering a touch of comfort and convenience that can make a world of difference during your journey. These compact and lightweight slippers are designed to provide a cozy alternative to hotel room floors or communal shower areas. One of the greatest advantages of travel-size slippers is their portability. They're specifically crafted to be easy to pack, taking up minimal space in your luggage or carry-on. This means you can enjoy the comfort of your own slippers no matter where you are, be it a hotel room, a hostel, or even a friend's house. Apart from their convenience, travel-size slippers also promote hygiene and relaxation. They allow you to keep your feet clean and protected from unfamiliar surfaces, and their soft, cushioned soles provide relief after a long day of exploring. Number 7 on our list is travel-size water filter. A travel-size water filter is an indispensable tool for adventurous travelers, especially those venturing into remote or off-the-grid destinations. This compact and portable device empowers you to ensure access to clean and safe drinking water, a fundamental requirement for a healthy and hassle-free trip. When exploring remote areas, finding a reliable source of potable water can be a challenge. Tap water quality can vary greatly, and there's often a risk of contamination from natural sources or local infrastructure. This is where a travel-size water filter becomes a game changer. These devices are engineered to remove impurities, bacteria, and harmful pathogens from water, transforming even questionable sources into safe and drinkable H2O. The beauty of a travel-size water filter lies in its ease of use and portability. Most models are designed to fit easily in your backpack or pocket, ensuring that you're always prepared to purify water on the go. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness, camping in remote locations, or simply exploring destinations with unreliable water sources, this compact companion ensures you have access to clean and safe hydration. That wraps up our exploration of these 7 travel essentials that are sure to revolutionize your one-bag travel experience. We hope you found these items as exciting and practical as we do. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, items reviews, and exciting adventures, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy and hassle-free travels. Take care.